right there.
Yeah, for later when you get there.
Yeah, for later, right. So I'm waiting on penetrating oil and some carb cleaner from K&N.
Oh, you got penetrating oil coming through?
Yeah, it's
a lot of good stuff. Okay, cool.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna review it first. Check out the engine, look how gorgeous it is. And we stored the whole engine compartment.
Put a lot of work into this car.
Yeah, we did.
We did this engine around 2020.
Yeah, that was a nightmare
Turned into
to
a
get
friggin'
parts.
nightmare.
Only GM Performance had parts. That was the only one that had
GM Performance, no, it wasn't that. It was, remember you sent the machine shop the engine block.
Because of the, yeah. But what company was it that only GM Performance had? What part was it?
Only GM No, TA Performance. The one company makes an intake manifold for this
That's
car.
right.
Only one.
It was the intake.
Yeah.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, because that's not a Chevy 350. That's a Buick
No, that's
engine.
a Buick 350, yeah.
This car actually had 25,000 miles on it. It was in bad shape. It needed a lot of work. A little old lady had it, and she bought the car brand new. Yeah, Bloomfield, New Jersey. Yep. Car sounds great.
I know, it really does.
But what kind of exhaust did you put?
Flowmaster.
Flowmaster,
yep. We got a thumper cam in it, so it's got that stumble.
Yeah. It's a good, nice little street car.
It is.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, come on, rip it apart. What kind of filter is that? Just a universal, whatever you got at the time,
yeah,
right?
I think so.
Whatever they had.
Yeah.
All right. No, you'll be all right with the K&N, that's for sure.
Of course. It's that old school look.
Yeah. There you go. What a beautiful setup.
I just put that carburetor on not that long ago because...
Something was wrong with the other one.
Yeah, there was something wrong because it was 2020, all that stuff, you know? Everything was all that stuff.
That was rough.
It was.
That was rough. I think the one for the Camaro and the one for this car are universal.
Yeah.
Because they both have hollies on them. The good thing about these, you don't got to go changing them. And in today's world, what's hard to do today is to call a place and say, I need this filter, I need this filter. If you can avoid phone calls out because the filter, let's say in this case, is cleanable. Oh man, you save yourself some headache. Beautiful. Very nice.
Hurts.
Beautiful. You should paint the cane at the end.
I know.
Yeah, we can do it later.
We're gonna have to modify that stud.
You gotta change the stud?
Yeah.
All right, we'll take care of it.
But basically what you're looking at.
That's no big deal. Change the stud and it'll work out. See, that size clears the hood and the whole 9 yards. So
Yeah.
all right, bro, later.
All right, later.